So hello friends, my name is Vidit Gupta and today I am going to talk about a very interesting topic. Although it is just a word of this topic and the name of this topic is personality, and so many people will be thinking that which kind of content is this, what can I speak on personality. But believe me, there are so many things that can be spoken by anyone on personality. So as always, firstly I will start my presentation or speech with definition. Okay, so firstly I will tell you what is personality, because if you know what is personality, then it will be very easy, or it will be far better for you to understand that what is personality. Okay, so there is no particular definition for personality. Okay, it is not like other topics. Suppose if I take the example of reservation. Okay, reservation means suppose 90 marks exam is there and general caste, the OBC caste and SC/ST caste, according to them reservation is given. Okay, so there is a particular definition of reservation. Okay, and everybody uses that definition only. But in personality, it is not a social topic. Okay, and different people have different philosophies. Okay, different mindsets on personality. So I have some definition that I have thought about personality. Okay, so first definition is that personality is like a mask. Okay, now so many people will be thinking that how is it like a mask. Okay, but personality has come from a Greek word, and most of the word comes from them. Okay, Greek word, or you can say Latin word persona, which means wearing mask. Okay, same case with personality. Okay, in personality, in case of personality, we wear a mask. Okay, suppose our relative has come. Okay, and in the reality, suppose you are a person, you are a very bossy person, and you are a person who breaks everything. Okay, and you don't have too much of manners. Okay, but in front of relative, what will you do? You will be show manner, you will show yourself as a mannered person. Okay, in reality you are mannerless, absolutely, but in front of relative, in front of friends, we will show that we are so mannered. Does it make sense? According to me, it makes sense, because even it has come from a word persona, which means wearing mask. So according to me, it will not be wrong to say that personality is like a mask that we wear, and we wear this mask according to different condition. Okay, suppose we are going in an interview, then we can't be casual, we will have to wear formal. Okay, and we will have to be silent, and we only have to give the answer of the interviewer. Okay, we can't do any other thing. Okay, but if we are going in our friend's home, then we can be casual and we can play chess, ludo, whatever we want we can do. Okay, in our home and with our friends. Okay, so personality changes with different condition and with different people. Okay, as I gave you the example, with your brother, with your friends, you can be in a different mode. Okay, your personality can be absolutely different. Okay, but in the case of relative or interviewer or teacher, you will be well mannered. Okay, suppose somebody is coming in this institute, then obviously he can't come in naked. Okay, he will definitely come in pants, pajama. Okay, but might be the case in his or her home, he is living in that kind of way. Okay, so personality changes according to places, condition, and according to different people. Okay, so it is the one definition of personality. And you can also say that personality is like a white shirt. Okay, suppose you have bought a white shirt. Okay, and there is a spot on white shirt, then the whole white shirt will be destroyed. Okay, and it will look very awkward. Clear? Got it? So it doesn't make any kind of sense to wear that white shirt if there is a spot. Okay, and it will be highlighted. Same case with personality and religion even. Okay, suppose overall our personality is very good. Okay, I am a student and I have come to give an interview. Okay, but suppose I speak in Brij Bhasha. Okay, many people will be thinking that what is wrong, I also speaking Brij Bhasha. Okay, according to me there is no wrong, but this Brij Bhasha can't work in interviews. Okay, although it is also a kind of Hindi, but different people have different accent. You must have listened that different people have different accent in speaking Hindi only. Okay, so this Brij Bhasha can't work in interview. Okay, suppose overall my attire means pehnawa, my external personality, internal personality is very well. Okay, the interviewer is thinking that he will definitely be able to crack the interview. Okay, but suppose in my whole interview I didn't speak in Brijbhasha. I tried to control myself, but ultimately I speak only one sentence in Brijbhasha. Then what will happen is that the whole interview will be spoiled. The interviewer will be dejected. Okay, dejected means निराश होना. He will be very disappointed, and even he can give us a feedback, free advice that please don't speak in Brijbhasha, okay, Bridge language. So that is why personality is like a white shirt, and if there is any spot on personality, then it will spoil our whole personality. Same case with white shirt. Okay, so now I am going to talk about the types of personality. Okay, personality, although personality are of many types, okay, but these are traits. Okay, but if I talk about major personalities, so there are only two types of personality: internal personality and external personality. Okay, and as I told you about the definition, wearing mask. Okay, so let me explain you one more thing. We can only hide, or we can only wear a mask on our external personality. Okay, overall we cannot hide our internal personality. Okay, so one more definition comes from content itself. Okay, firstly let me finish this definition, then I will tell you another definition. Okay, so there are two types of personalities: external personality and internal personality. So you must have got to know that what is external and internal, but I should tell you that internal means अंदर की. Okay, the real personality that we have, our thoughts. Suppose somebody speaks in Brijbhasha, then it will be his internal personality. Although he is controlling himself, he is in front of everyone, he is trying to speak in English and he speaks good English, but old habit die hard. You must have listened the proverb. Okay, so that is why it will become his internal personality, so he will never be able to rid of it. It might be the case that suppose he is so hard worker, not hard worker, hard working, he has too much of dedication, then it can take place. Okay, otherwise it will become his or her internal personality. And external personality means our manners. Okay, you must have got to know manners, what I am saying. You must have listened it in school with your parents, you must have heard with your parents, and you must have followed them. Okay, our manners means we are touching food, our attire, which kind of attire. Okay, because different attire works at different places. Okay, in interview you cannot be casual. Okay, but with your friend, in your family, with your father and mother, you are going to an hotel, then no problem, you can be casual. Okay, but if you are going in an interview, then you will have to wear formal dress. Okay, and I did a activity of a HR. In that activity, even I told you that in any company if you will go, then you will have to be formal. Okay, so our attire, as I told you the meaning of attire, pehnawa, so our attire matters in our external personality. Okay, so now question arises, which is more important for a person? So both are very important. Okay, because everybody has an internal personality. Okay, and I am pretty sure, cocksure, that everybody has an internal personality and everybody hides that. Okay, suppose a person is there, he is a motivator. Okay, even he will have a personality. Okay, internal personality, clear? He will have a personality and he will definitely hide his or her internal personality. So I am saying that external personality can be changed, but internal personality can't be changed. Does it make sense? According to me, it makes sense. Okay, and as I told you about the different definition that strike in my mind because of this content. So personality is what we perceive about yourself. Perceive means कल्पना करना. Okay, but it is different from imagination. Okay, suppose Vehan, you are there. Okay, and you are sitting in front of me, and now I can judge, even some people can judge your personality with your behavior. Okay, suppose a person is there, what can I say, suppose सब words की एकदम what can uncouth, gawar. Okay, suppose an uncouth person is there, then his habits will be like this, he will be like mad. Okay, then anybody can perceive that he is like this, he is like this. So imagination can be there. Okay, it is not exactly same with imagination, but if we are thinking, then it will not be absolutely wrong. So with the help of behavior, as I told you, external personality, this definition comes that personality is what we perceive about ourselves and other people. One second. Okay, so it is known as personality. Now I am going to talk about some other points. Okay, and in other points there is a major point, multi-dimensional personality. Okay, so what is multi-dimensional personality? So multi-dimensional personality is a personality or person who focuses or who is concerned about each and everything, about his physical strength, mental strength, about sports, about social knowledge, about his studies. Okay, so it is known as multi-dimensional personality. Okay, and it is very hard to be a multi-dimensional personality according to me, because a person can't be focused on each and everything. Okay, so many personalities, they are physically not fit, mentally they are good, they are mentally not very good, but they are physically fit. Okay, so they are all-rounder or virtuous in a field. Okay, suppose somebody is virtuous means goody, somebody is virtuous in study, and somebody is virtuous in sports. Okay, but multi-dimensional personality will be virtuous in each and every field, in confidence, in context. Okay, and now I want to talk about some traits of personality. Although there are so many traits of personality, even I don't know all the traits of personality, but I know some of them. Okay, so if I name them, so it is introvert, extrovert, ambivert, reticent, bossy, silly, short tempered. So these are some personality traits, but these are not all personality traits. Even they are not 1%. Okay, they are, you can say, 1 or 2% personality traits, because there are so many personality traits. Okay, and even we can have a talk on them, that which kind of person will get success in his or her life. But here I don't know too much of personality traits, that is why I name you some. Okay, and if I talk about their Hindi meanings, okay, बॉजी मीन्स जो हुक्म चलाता है, एंड इवन यू कैन गेट टू नो इट बॉस, बॉस होता है जो हुक्म चलाता है. सो बॉजी मीन्स तो हुक्म चलाता है. इंट्रोवर्ट मीन्स तो ना के बराबर बहुत कम बोलता है. एक्सट्रोवर्ट मीन्स बातूनी. ओके, एंड रेटिसेंट मीन्स जैसे दूसरों की बातों से कोई मतलब नहीं होता. एंड एम्बीवर्ट मीन्स जो कंडीशन, जो कभी कभार ज़्यादा भी बोलता है कम भी बोलता है. यू कैन से एन एम्बीवर्ट पर्सनैलिटी इज द मिक्सचर ऑफ अ इंट्रोवर्ट एंड एक्सट्रोवर्ट पर्सनैलिटी. ओके, सो दीज आर some traits. Okay, and now I'm going to talk about the ingredients of personality. In everything, ingredients is there, in food and in everything, so many things, medicine, ingredients are there. Okay, so here I'm not talking about the ingredients of food like spices. So in personality, what are the ingredients, you must be thinking that. So I'm just saying that these are the things by which personality is made up of. Okay, suppose Maggi is there, it is made up of maida, and water is there, Maggi masala is there. So it is the, these are the ingredients of Maggi. Pulses are there, so ingredients are there. So in personality, although there are so many ingredients, okay, and if I name them, so first is growth. Okay, and if a person becomes mature, okay, because if a person will become mature, then it will definitely affect his or her personality. Okay, and his or her personality, clear. And even a person gets a person becomes mature with his or her age and knowledge. Okay, and even it is a question, and a person asked from me, does a person become mature from his age or from his knowledge? Okay, so these are also some ingredients, these are also some ingredients in personality. Okay, growth, learning, knowledge. So these are some ingredients in personality. Clear? Got it? And it makes sense even. And environment is one of them. Okay, environment is most important. Clear? Because if environment will not be there, then personality can't be a dominating or good personality. Even without environment, our personality can't be a bad personality. Suppose you are going to school, then the environment will affect you. Suppose in your school the students are very weak in studies, they have to do nothing with study, they provoke or instigate. Provoke and instigate means bhadkana. They provoke you that don't study, it is not going to help you in hand, and they are offering you secrets, please smoke, and they are taking intoxication means nasa, they are eating pan masala. Okay, so this kind of environment will be there with you, then it will spoil your personality. Okay, and at the other end, you have an environment in your family, everybody is well educated, everybody has sense of each and everything, and multi-dimensional personalities. Okay, your surroundings are full of multi-dimensional personality, so it will also affect your personality. So here nobody can be pretty sure that will it definitely or not. Okay, so don't think that if our environment will be bad, then I will never be able to develop my personality into a dominating personality. Dominating means तो एक impression जमा ले किसी के ऊपर, बहुत अच्छी personality, dominating personality. Okay, so it is not sure if the environment is good, then the personality will be good. I have seen so many people, the environment was very good, but still they go in that kind of field, they are taking intoxication, they are roaming with goons. Okay, and even it is not important that environment is not too good, but still the person is not too good. Okay, so it can also be the case that environment is too bad. Okay, environment is pathetic, very abominable. Abominable means घृणा करने योग्य, you can say awful, बहुत बुरा. Okay, but still the dominating personalities are coming from that kind of environment, and so many examples are also there. So many people are there. Our Narendra Modi Prime Minister is there. Okay, he has come from a poor environment. Okay, according to him, Fakir Khandan. Okay, so still he has become the Prime Minister of India. Okay, so although environment matters a lot, but in each and every case environment doesn't matter. Okay, now I am going to talk about the things that can spoil your personality. Okay, and it is a very important thing. Okay, clear? Does it make sense? Okay, then old habits spoil our personality. Suppose as I give you the example of Brij Bhasha. Clear? So Brij Bhasha can spoil your personality. As I gave you the example of interviews. So in interviews, if you will speak in Braj Bhasha, Braj language, and according to some people it is not bad, but it is really a very bad. Okay, and even there was a boy, he was saying that goons use this language. So sometimes it looks very funny. Even interviewer can laugh on you which kind of language you are speaking if the interviewer is foreigner. Okay, so adaptability should be there. Okay, so old habits. Okay, you must have heard the proverb that old habit die hard. Okay, so that is why, because of old habits, our personality cannot be a dominating personality. Clear? But if we have adaptability, okay, so no environment can spoil our personality. Clear? Because if we have adaptability, then we can make our personality a dominating personality. Suppose you are going in army. Okay, then you will have to drink wine even sometimes, and you will live in that kind of environment. Everybody will be very stern means sakt. Okay, and your commando will be very stern. Okay, and your routine will be very tough. Then if adaptability will be there, then you will be able to adopt yourself in that kind of personality. Clear? But if you are from a rich affluent family, okay, then you will say that I can't do this work, it is very hard for me. I am a person from a very rich family, I have the tendency to live in a rich family. Then they will show tantrum means nakhre. Clear? So if we have adaptability, then nobody can spoil our personality. And now second point is that can personality be taught or learnt? So according to me, personality can't be taught. Personality can be groomed. Okay, so if I talk about the difference between taught and groom, so the difference between taught and groom is that, okay, so personality is a kind of practical thing. If we will not go through practical learning, then we can never be a dominating personality, according to me. Same case in swimming. Swimming is there, and somebody says to you, you have to move your legs like this and you have to move your hands like this, then you will be able to float and you will be able to swim in too much of deep. Okay, so it is unpractical. Okay, and it will not help. But if practical will not be there, then it can never help you. Suppose now I give presentation in front of so many person. Clear? But earlier, when first time I give presentation, suppose if sir had said to me that you just have to speak in Hindi, so would I be able to give presentation in front of you? Never. I never be able to give presentation even in front of a single person. So if we will not go practically, then our personality can never become dominating personality without practical. Because if we have to speak in with someone, if we have to go to interview, and if a dominating multidimensional personality comes in front of us, then practicality should be there. Suppose sir says to me that you will be able to give whatever you have learned in corruption. Now in personality you have to speak that, but no, nervousness will definitely be there. So till we will not have a practical learning, we can't improve our personality. Okay, and so many people are there, they think that even we could not be successful in practical learning, then they say that I will not be a dominating personality. So according to me, in this case we should never give up, because it is very hard to be a dominating personality. And one more definition is there from this content, it struck in my mind that personality is the ability to change yourself. Because if we have personality, so that we can change ourselves. And even if you are thinking that you have no kind of personality, so it is wrong. Everybody has a kind of personality. But it can be the case, even some people are there, they spend their whole life but still they are not able to find their interest in personality. Okay, and so many people are there. They suppose teacher is there, my sir is there, okay, and suppose they don't know how to sing and they don't know how to play guitar, okay, and suppose I am a very good, although I am not a good student in guitar, but suppose I am a good student in guitar, then some people will be there, they will be thinking that if I am his teacher, okay, suppose my teacher was there and suppose she wants to learn English, but suppose she doesn't come here. Why? Because my student also comes. So according to them, insult will be there, okay. So according to me, there is no insult in learning. Never we should, if we will feel that there is an insult in learning, so on that day you should think that now you can't be a dominating personality, because a student should never think that there is a humiliation in learning. Whatever we don't know, we are learning that thing for making our personality good. Even if we leave personality, then we are going to get a skill. So according to me, we should never feel humiliation in learning something. So we should not think that if I am a teacher, then my personality will be a stigma personality. Stigma means kalank, okay. And some people are there, they are not ready to do practical. In case of speech, they will say that मेरी बेइज्जती हो जाएगी, I will be humiliated. So I will be happy to say them, उनकी कभी इज्जत थी नहीं, और जब उनकी इज्जत ही नहीं है तो बेइज्जती कैसे हो जाएगी. वो कहते हैं कि मेरी बेइज्जती हो जाएगी, तो पहले कौन सा उनकी इज्जत थी जो बेइज्जती हो जाएगी उनकी, बिकॉज बेइज्जती के लिए तो इज्जत होना जरूरी है, बट दे डोंट हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ इज्जत, ओके, दे डोंट हैव डिग्निटी इन सोसाइटी, बट स्टिल दे आर कंसर्न अबाउट ह्यूमिलिएशन. दे विल थिंक दैट पीपल विल ट्राई टू अबैस मी. सो जब उनकी इज्जत ही नहीं है तो बेइज्जती का क्या डर होना चाहिए. इवन इफ वी हैव अ इज्जत, इफ वी हैव डिग्निटी इन सोसाइटी, even till we should not think that there will be a humiliation in learning something, because now we are grooming our personality, okay. So this was all about personality I wanted to tell you. So thank you for listening me.